How to use PayPal on Shein. Hey everybody, if you would like to use PayPal on Shein, you may follow this method to select PayPal as your payment method. So what you can do is once you are logged in into Shein application, you can basically head over to the checkout process, or you can directly look out for payment options. For that, look out for the Me tab in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and once you tap on it, you may look at the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and you will be finding an option called My Payment option. Tap on it, and there you may look out for option called Add New Card. Tap on it, and you can select Pay PayPal. So you can just go ahead and tap your PayPal option right here. After that, enter up the PayPal information and just go ahead and follow the process. Or you can just go to checkout, as I said earlier, add one of the product to your cart. For example, I would like to add this product. Just go ahead and add it up, and once it is added, you can just go ahead and add to cart. You can head over to the cart section from your Shein application, look out for a checkout option, tap on checkout, and while going ahead and adding up your payment method, add PayPal as your payment method, where you can enter your credit card information. And that is it. So you may just go ahead and select PayPal, pay with debit or credit card option on the PayPal page, and that will redirect you to the page where you can enter your information. And once it completes up, you will be able to use PayPal on Shein, any of the products available. So that is it. You may also follow the same process if you would like to use the PayPal on Shein application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.